Something else here, and it's about drought. This is another crisis that's happening. 23 counties are affected right now as we speak, and more than 3.5 million people are facing starvation. The number of Kenyans facing starvation has increased by 400,000 in the last 1 month to now stand at 3.5 million people. The National Disaster Management Authority says that the numbers of the affected is likely to increase as all indications show that the rains will fail for the 4th consecutive season, plunging the country and the region in a food security crisis. Now, this comes as the government, in collaboration with private corporates, launched a fundraising initiative to help those affected in the arid and semi-arid counties.
The numbers of those facing starvation in Kenya is steadily rising. In just 1 month, the numbers have jumped from 3.1 million to 3.5 million people in need of food aid in arid and semi-arid areas. The situation has seen 23 counties move to an alarming stage of food relief need. Of this, 350,000 children under the age of 5 are facing severe malnutrition, while 50,000 lactating and pregnant mothers are also faring badly in the drought. The livestock, the lifeline for most of the affected communities, are dying in their droves. Up to date, 1.5 million livestock deaths have been reported, while there is an urgent need for an offtake of 13 million more to save them from imminent death.
About 3 million Kenyans people will require food assistance as a result of the drought.
According to the Intergovernmental Development Authority, these numbers are likely to increase as all indications point to a 4th season of failed rains, meaning farmers will not be able to plant in time.
Already 15.5 to 16 million of our sisters and brothers are in need of immediate food assistance due to this drought. This is 6 to 6.5 million in Ethiopia, 3.5 million in Kenya, and 6 million in Somalia.
IGAD attributes the food insecurity situation to the ongoing drought, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, and the prevailing macroeconomic challenges across the region. The drought situation has also led to an increase in resource-based conflicts that have resulted in 133 fatalities, 59 injuries, and over 2,000 displaced households in the counties of Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet, and West Pokot. In Kenya, among the worst-hit counties is the northern county of Marsabit, where 250,000 people are in dire need of food assistance. And today, help is on the way. This intervention saw trucks loaded with foodstuff worth 100 million shillings dispatched for distribution to 20,000 households in the county. The donations coming from the government in partnership with private sector organizations, including Safaricom Foundation, M-Pesa Foundation, Naivas, KCB, Ernst & Young, Royal Media Services, Nation Media Group, MediaMax, The Standard Group, and Radio Africa, with calls to the public to participate in the fundraising efforts. But even then, there is need to change tact, the partners agree.
We need to have the importance of shifting from the community from emergency response to community enablement and capacity building around areas such as agribusiness.
The government says it has set aside 46.8 billion shillings in the coming financial year to tackle food security issues. In the meantime, the government says it will continue disbursing the 547 million shillings through cash transfers to the most affected counties of Marsabit, Mandera, Turkana, and Wajir. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV, Nairobi.